Allah, it means the gracious one. So if we had an al in front of it, it would mean the gracious one. So Rahmanu, this is just a long meme vowel. Alright, so what about that other method that we mentioned earlier? So we have a hamza with a fatha, giving us a, and now we want to elongate it, just lengthen it, that's what that means, to turn the short a sound into a long vowel a, so we put an alif with a sukoon after it, giving us a. But the way to write this, what that turns into is what's known as the madda, which is just this. There we are, a. Right, so let's look at a word in which we have this madda, this long hamza vowel. Right, consider this word here. There we go. Let's put in the vowels. So we have a qaf with a dhamma giving us qu, a ra with a sukoon, qur. There it is. There's my madda vowel, my alif with this little squiggle on top, giving us qur'a, and then we have the noon, Qur'an. Qur'an. I'm not going to worry about the voweling on the noon. Let's just pretend it's a sukoon for now. It actually isn't, but just to simplify things, Qur'an. Alright? So what is a diphthong? A diphthong in English and in Arabic is simply two consecutive vowel sounds. Okay, so think of the word coin, for example. Here we have the consonant C, and it's not followed by one vowel, it's followed by two. We have an O and an I. Now what this results in is sort of a round sound, so it becomes coin. Coin. It's not con, it's not kin, it's something in the middle, coin. Similarly with other words and other vowel combinations, we have loud, for example, an OU diphthong. We have faint, an AI diphthong. So it's not fant, it's not fint, it's faint, something in the middle. Alright, so that's a diphthong. The way we form diphthongs in Arabic, we have two. We have a word which has a fatha followed by a ya with a sukoon, makes an a sort of sound, and a word which has a fatha followed by a waw with a sukoon, makes an o sort of sound. Right, let's look at a couple of examples then. Okay. So if we have this word here, again, we're just using short words to make it easier. So a lam and a waw. Now remember, if we had a dhamma with a sukoon, that's my long vowel, lu. Lu. That's not what I'm interested in here though. If I have a fatha on the lam and the waw has sukoon, there's my diphthong, low. Low. It shouldn't be pronounced lo, it's low. Alright? Let's have a look at another word. Alright. So you have a ha, a ya, and a tha. Let's put in my vowels. I have a ha with a fatha giving me a ha, a ya with a sukoon, and a tha with a dhamma, thu. But it's this bit that I'm interested in here, this bit. The ha with the fatha followed by ya with a sukoon, remember, is one of our two diphthongs in Arabic. It gives us hay, hay. So this word, haythu. When you have a double letter in a word in Arabic, alright, what we do is we don't write the letter twice. So for example, consider the English word filling. This is spelled F-I, double L-I-N-G. So the L is written twice, double L. In Arabic, where we have a double letter, we don't write it twice. Instead, we just write it once, and we put a shadda above it. And that shadda is just there to indicate that that word needs to be doubled. Okay, so let's have a look again at a couple of examples. So if we have this meme here, meme, within a word, if you see this meme somewhere in the middle of a word, and it has this shadda on it, it's also called tashdid. What that means, what that shadda represents, is that really you have two memes. You have two memes, a double meme. Alright? Now so that's easy enough, but here's the thing to remember. This shadda will also have some vowel. So if we have a fatha, for example, above the shadda, what this means is that the first meme in this double meme combination should take a sukoon, and the second meme should take a fatha. Right? So a meme with a shadda and a fatha means we have a meme with a sukoon followed by a meme with a fatha. Alright, let's just get rid of those. What about a meme with a dhamma? Right? So again, this would mean the first meme has sukoon and the second meme has a dhamma. And finally, a meme with a shadda and a kasra. Now this is often written over here. Right? Remember, kasra is written usually written below the letter, but where the letter takes a shadda, it's just convention to write the kasra below the shadda. So this isn't a fatha. The fatha would be written above the shadda. It's just a kasra, and we know it because it's written beneath the shadda. So it's very predictable. It means that you have a double meme, the first of which has a sukoon, and the second of which has a kasra. Let's see that in a few words to illustrate how that works. So if we have the word here with these letters, all right, we have a jim, a dal, and a gaf. We give this a fatha, give this dal our shadda or tashdeed, and let's make it a shadda of with a dhamma, and a gaf with a fatha. So what this equals, if we just split this dal up, we wouldn't ever really split it up when we're writing, but just to illustrate what's being formed here, we have a jim, and remember the shadda indicates two dals in succession, dal, dal, and then the gaf at the end. Let's put in our vowels. So jim had a fatha. Now a dal with a dhamma, remember what that means is the first dal has sukoon, second dal has a dhamma, and the gaf at the end had a fatha. Right, so the way to read this then, right, would be jadduka, jadduka. Do you hear that? You have to, the doubling has to be heard when we're reading it. So it's not jaduka, jaduka, as if there were no shadda. Rather, the shadda has to be heard. Jadduka, because the dal is doubled. Right? Let's again have a look at another word. So we have ayn, lam, and mim. Let's put in our vowels. The lam this time takes our shadda, and we're going to give it a kasra. Remember, the kasra, when we have a shadda, just sits below the shadda. This is not a fatha, it's a kasra. And then the mim at the end has a fatha. What does that equal? That equals an ayn, and the shadda means there's two lams, and we have this mim at the end. Alright, let's put in our vowels. The ayn took a dhamma, the mim at the end took a fatha. So what about the lam, the two lams? Well, the lam has a shadda with a kasra, which means the first lam takes sukoon and the second lam takes a kasra, which gives us ullima, ullima. Again, you should be able to hear, and you should yourself make this shadda sound with this word. Ullima, not ulima. Not ulima, it's ullima. Alright, let's have a look at one more example. So if we have the word we have a qaf, a ta, and a lam. There we go. So qaf with a fatha, qa. We have a ta with a shadda and a fatha, and a lam with a fatha. Okay, so it's fairly easy by now. There's my double ta. So qaf, my double ta, which was being represented by the shadda here, and a lam with a fatha. So what am I going to get? Qaf with a fatha, the double ta with a shadda, and a fatha means the first one has sukoon and the second one has fatha, giving me qattala, qattala. Sometimes at the end of some words you'll see a double vowel. So rather than a single dhamma, you'll see two dhammas, or you'll see two fathas, or you'll see two kasras. Now that's called a tanween, and what that means is that there's a hidden noon, right? It's not written, but a hidden noon just after that letter. So for example, a meme with a dhamma tanween, two dhammas at the end, would mean we have a mun sound. A meme with a fatha tanween would mean we have a man sound, and a meme with a kasra tanween would mean we have a min sound. Let's just show that on the whiteboard. Alright, so let's take this word with these letters. We have an ayn, a lam, and a meme. Alright? Now we have ayn with a kasra giving us a'i, lam with a sukoon giving us il, and this meme. Now remember what we said, that the tanween would only ever occur where it does at the end of a word. So in this case, let's give this meme here a dhamma tanween. Right? What does this mean? This, or how is this to be read? This is to be read il mun, almost as if there's a noon at the end here with a sukoon. And that's it's never written. But this is how it's pronounced. We have a mun sound, and that's what that dhamma tanween is representing. All right. One more sort of quick point to note about the dhamma tanween is that it's usually, in fact, written like this, like a 69. All right. the dhamma tanween. So just bear that in mind.